Now, what is it going to do over shadow gray? We're not 100% sure because we've never actually done it yet. A couple months ago, we used this HyperShift right here, ZTH, the craziest HyperShift that we have on a whole bunch of different color speed shapes. And we let you guys vote on which one you wanted to see us go full scale. You picked Hunter Green, we did Hunter Green, it came out awesome. But internally, I was telling Gabe, you know which one is blowing me away right now? Nardo Gray. And Gabe's like, yeah, I could see that. But, you know what would look even better? Shadow gray. Because shadow gray is darker and deeper than Nardo, which would create more contrast, potentially more saturation. And the whole time for the past 6 or 8 weeks, we've been saying, when are we going to be able to do ZTH on shadow gray? So we kept thinking to ourselves, has it been enough time yet? Huh? Has it? And now I think it has. Today, the long-awaited, at least internally, ZTH HyperShift over shadow gray. Now, if you don't know ZTH, again, the wildest HyperShift that we have. It is very deceptive. It looks kind of green. But Gabe is going to fill you in right now on which colors it shifts from.
Well, we got purples, greens, blues, ambers, kind of an orangish yellow. And
now, whatever reason, when we did the speed shape video, when we did the Hunter Green video, we did 6.25 grams per gallon.
Yep.
I don't know why, but we did, and we're going to keep that consistent. So here's 12.5 grams per gallon, because like usual, we're going to cut it with another gallon of Next Gen Satin Top Coat, and as soon as this stuff starts blending, you can see the magic take place. Whenever we mix this pearl, I always look at the side and the top, and they both look completely different. Even what you see blending in this bottle, nowhere close represents what this can do full scale, especially when you get it in the sun. Now, what is it going to do over shadow gray? We're not 100% sure because we've never actually done it yet. But if Gabe and I are onto something here, you guys are going to be in for a treat. So take a look at this. Green, something, more something. Trust me, it's going to go crazy. Shadow gray, ZTH, let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, the idea, the concept we had going into this one was to use the shadow gray and create kind of like a battleship HyperShift look, where you'd have more of a subtle gray with some HyperShift playing a role here and there. I think we may have underestimated the power of this pearl because the colors ended up a lot wilder than we anticipated. I'm gonna bring it outside so you guys can check it out right now. I expected some HyperShift highlights here and there, but there's a lot more shifting in color than we expected. You know what to do. Take a look at the car, leave a comment below, and rate this one 1 through 5. Tell me if you love it or if you hate it. If you want to dip your own car, super easy. Click right up here. All of our kits are in one place for you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast on this project, and I'll see you on the next one.